Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, camera not working Windows 11 fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Camera. Turn on camera access. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager, click and expand camera, right-click your camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager, click and expand camera, right-click your camera, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Scan for hardware changes. Fourth method is open any browser. Type manufacturer name with camera driver. Click Download driver. Click Install driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.